Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking on overlapping sets. So remember, this is Johannes International, where all naughty Gmat GRE questions are demystified. So today we'll be talking about overlapping sets. So one of the very important questions you're sure to see in your exam is the overlapping set. So the underlying principle with overlapping sets, especially based on what you're going to see on the Gmat, is that you have, for example, two sets, a set containing A elements and another set containing B elements. And here we have a set that in the intersection of both A and B. And also outside here we could have neither. So it could or may not be there. So you should take note. This principle of concerning anything overlapping set would look something like this. Take note of this formula that your everything in A plus everything in B minus everything in both plus neither always give you the total element in the universal set. So key things. So in some questions you may not have neither. Okay, in some questions you may. So just take note of this. When you don't have neither, your neither is 0. But please take notes to know things in, when we say A include things both in A only and both. So if the question asks you for elements in A only, is equal to everything in A, all the elements in A minus both. So also for B only, it's everything in B minus both. So take good note of that. So let me give you a naughty question from a GRE-like question, Gmat GRE-like question. So let's see this. Okay. So the question goes thus: one student is to be selected at random from a class. The probability that the student selected will be male is equal to the probability that the student selected will be an English major. The probability that the student selected will be both a male and an English major is 0.35. The probability that the student selected will be neither male nor English major is 0.15. What is the probability that the student selected will be an English major? Okay. What is the probability that the student selected will be an English major? Now, this, the word probability make you feel you're doing probability. Yes, in as much as there are some aspects of probability needed, but what you're simply doing here is overlapping sets. So if I quickly draw my set box looking something like this. Okay, so we have English major and we have males. So what do we know? From here, we know for both, what we are told is that those who do both is 0.35. Neither is 0.15. So the probability, and there's a key word here that said that the probability that the student selected will be male is equal to the probability that the student selected will be English major. So whatever we have for E, is the same thing for what? M. So let's call that probability for E X and the probability for M X. Okay, so but the question is asking, what is the probability that the student selected will be an English major? So basically, they're looking for X, not an English major only. They said that will be, the student selected will be an English major, not an English major only. So that's why your answer is X. So using our formula we've just learned, where we say A plus B minus both plus neither equal to the total. So you should know that using our knowledge from probability, that the total probability of any event is always 1. So with the probability of English major, which stands for A here, would be X plus male X as well. Then both, we know both to be 0.35 plus neither is 0.15. Total probability is 1. When you work this out, this gives you 2X minus 0.20. That's when you add this, so equal to 1. When you take this over there, you have that your 2x equal to 1 plus 0.1, 0.20. So that gives you that 2x equal to 1.2. When you divide both sides by 2, the final answer is going to be x equal to 0.6. Your final answer is 0.6. Hope this makes it a bit easier for you to do. So if you need more of this, comment in the section below and I'll guide you through how we can have our classes. And also subscribe to this channel to get more tidbits like this. See you later. Thank you.